So let's just say you got one here, got another one right here, good sized rooms. You got a bathroom right here. So let's just say you rent out this room for $1,000, this room for $1,000, and then you live on the third floor. Third bedroom. So up here, you have a nice suite, just all to yourself. So you rent out the first 2 floors, rent them out for $1,000 each. Get an extra $2,000 a month coming in. That's $24,000 a year coming into your pocket. So instead of paying $4,000 a month, you're paying $2,000 a month to live in this space. Another thing is that extra $2,000 a month, you can use it to help pay off your mortgage if you want. You can also save it and use that money to do whatever you wish. So let's just say you want to do some renovations. Up here, you have a nice master suite. You actually have space here for a nice master bath. So let's say you save up money, you renovate the space, make a nice master bath. And you continue to rent the space downstairs as well. And as rents keep going up, you keep adding rents, get more money, and keep doing that. So that's one way you can house hack your way into owning a home without having to pay the full amount every month. You do have to do a little bit of work. You do have to find roommates. The good news is, because you own the property, they have to live by your rules. So think about that. Another possibility that I didn't talk about this property is it has a basement. And the basement also has another room and space. You can consider renting that space out too for more money. So think about that. Think about house hacking. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Love to talk to you soon. See ya.